Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding Bootstrap to your MVC project so you can use its components immediately. First, install the Bootstrap NuGet package or paste the CDN link and script lines into your layout. CSHTML. Once done, reference Bootstrap. CSS in the head and include Bootstrap. JS plus popper and jQuery before the closing body tag. Make sure bundling/minification is configured or disabled while you're debugging to see live CSS/JS changes quickly. Now integrate Bootstrap into your Razor views so your UI looks and behaves consistently. Use container, row, and call classes to structure pages. Swap plain inputs for form control and add invalid feedback for model validation messages. Once done, convert common UI blocks into partial views and use Bootstrap navbars and modals for navigation and dialogues. Make sure client-side validation is enabled so unobtrusive validation works with Bootstrap styling, and adjust classes. Finish by polishing behavior and preparing for production. Enable bundling/minification, set correct cache headers, and test UI across viewport sizes. Make sure scripts load in the right order. jQuery, then popper, then Bootstrap, so drop-downs and tooltips work. If something breaks, check the browser console for missing file or version conflicts and clear browser caches or CDN caches to force fresh assets. A single troubleshooting tip: if styles aren't applying, confirm layout. CSHTML references the correct compiled CSS and no other style sheet is overriding it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.